here from AngelRose YouTube. And I'm reorganizing my room, as everybody knows. I am downsizing everything. I'm going through everything and getting rid of a lot of stuff. And I have been on a kick with these little pouches here. I got the big ones and I have the small, this size. This is a 6x8. And I have, I think, the 9x6 or something like that. I can't remember the other size, but I have more coming in. But this is how I store my stamps and my dies. Okay, you can use this for ephemera. You can use it for anything. I mean, look, even this will fit in there. And this is a cord. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay. You can use this to mail stuff in. Hey, why not? But I wanted to show y'all how I store my dies to keep them, to keep from making all the noise from the cellophane when you go live and stuff. Okay, or when you do a pre-record. This I don't keep. This is a pull and push mechanism, aka it's the flip for the pull tab for the waterfalls when you do them. Okay. Now you see, this is gonna fit on here and somewhat fit in here, I think. Let me try it. It's gonna fit perfectly. So the way I do it is I take the ATG tape and I cut me a piece of cardstock the size of 6x7. Okay. And I put 2 pieces of ATG tape on it and peel the backings off and stick this on here. Any excess tape, pull it off, and the ATG tape comes off easy, so you don't have nothing sticking that's extra. Okay? I turn it this way because I want my die to show through the front, not the back. Okay? And I just slide it in here. And this is going to keep it stable for when you put it in a shoebox or whatever, however you store your dies and stamps. Okay? Now, and then I take another piece of ATG tape, put it on the little sleeve here, on the flap, peel off the back, seal it. And there you go. You got your die. You can stand it up like this, or you can stand it like this. So you can go portrait or landscape, whichever you want to put it on in your boxes or whatever, however you store your dies. So I have a whole bunch of dies that I've already done this to, but I have more that I need to do it with. But as I go through everything, I'm letting go of a lot of my stuff. So when I go through my stamps are going to be stored the same way, with the backing here and all the stamps stuck to the cardstock. So this is what I wanted to show y'all today. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the red subscribe button to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I upload new content, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be positive, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Bye.